Welcome back to NBA Today.
All right, gentlemen, let's go coast to coast on other games from last night. And we're going to start with Damian Lillard passing Clyde Drexler for most points in Blazers history. He made a layup with 3 seconds left to tie the game against the Thunder, but then SGA, he hit a game winner as time expired. His third go-ahead shot in the last 2 seconds this season. So, Jalen, has he already locked up the new Jerry West Clutch Award?
He's working towards it. Still a lot of basketball to be played. But during the holiday, people are going to be talking about who the best players in the game. And they're going to mention the OGs like Dame, Bron, Embiid, Steph, and Kawhi. And they're going to talk about the new Gs like Ja, Jokic, and Luka. That guy has a chance to be All-NBA for the first time.
Interesting. All right, moving on to the Cavs. Donovan Mitchell faced the Jazz for the first time since the offseason trade. He had 23 points in 23 minutes. The Cavs win it. Rich, do you think both teams are happy with how this trade worked out now?
Yeah, I think both teams should be ecstatic. But, you know, when you're looking at Cleveland, the chances of them getting high-level free agents is very, very slim. They don't get it that way. So for them to go out and make a trade and keep all of their key pieces, Darius Garland, Jared Allen, and you're keeping Mobley. You're keeping all of your main pieces, and he has fit in outstanding.
Last but certainly not least, the Suns. They beat a shorthanded Lakers team thanks largely to a season-high 28 points from Chris Paul. Patrick Beverley hit CP3 with a too small, despite the Lakers being down 20. Chris Paul starting to look like Chris Paul again, Zach.
Too small is getting overused, by the way. Too many people are using too small. But yeah, the Suns have won 3 straight now. They were reeling. Now 2 of those wins are against the LA teams who were injury-riddled. But Chris Paul, after a slow start, this is 4 or 5 good games in a row for him. And obviously, if the Suns are going to make noise in the playoffs, they need peak Chris Paul. I think Jose Alvarado fired him up.
Thanks for watching ESPN on YouTube. For live streaming sports and premium content, subscribe to ESPN+.